question how I fit everything in my day. So today I am filming a Sunday in the life of Ash.
Same as you.
We do. We're like twinning.
Have you not used that much?
No, I've never used this one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you're in for a treat.
So, good morning. This morning we got up at 4:30. We've done our yoga. We got the little man up, and now we are ready to go to Burley Stairs.
Not that little.
Casey. Okay, so he's absolutely deaf.
So that's just a quick review for Bose noise cancelling headphones. Stairs done. Next.
Burley Social.
Woo!
I think I'm going to get the acai bowl. So we just finished at Burley Social. I wanted to have an acai bowl, but they didn't have any, which was disappointing. But a child falling over.
Can I get my drawing?
This is what happens when you're trying to get your drawing, trying to put your seatbelt on. How was your brekkie, babe?
Awesome. Bacon egg roll.
Bacon egg roll. So now it is, what are we? We're 8 o'clock. We have almost finished our little morning routine on a Sunday, and now we're off to get the car washed. So the car's nice and clean. We went home, had a shower, and now we're on our way to Brisbane. We like to get involved in a little bit of fall driving and camping. We'll more so...
It's really mostly you, isn't it?
I absolutely love fall driving and camping. So we just finished up at South Bank, the caravan and camping show, is that what it was called?
Yep.
So we did that first and then we went off to South Bank. How did you like South Bank, Kate?
Really, really good.
What did you do there?
I swam and it was really, really good. Yay!
And how do you feel, Dad?
Yeah, it's good.
You look really enthused.
Oof, I just need a drink, I think.
A drink and an ananas, maybe?
Yeah, actually I wouldn't mind an afternoon nap.
So we just got home, thank you honey. And now it's time to meal prep. What's the time?
Yep.
It's 4 o'clock and we're about to start our meal prep. Yeah, oops. So, I have just finished prepping the vegetables and stuff for our meal prep. And then I realised that I had about 5 or or 6 ingredients that I missed off the shopping list on Friday. So Case and I are off to Woolworths, and I totally forgot that I had no fuel in my car from Friday. So we're fueling up the car as well. Come on, we need tomatoes.
Ready, go.
Bedtime. Oh yeah, bedtime. I like bedtime.
Yeah. You put it up there, didn't you?
Yeah. Oh.
Right, buddy.
Love you. See you in the morning.
In the morning, make sure Pete doesn't come in.
I will make.
Don't let the bugs bite.
If they do.
Use
It's
dynamite.
7 o'clock. We've just put Case to bed. We've had dinner. Now it's time for us to do some work. So I'm going to be doing some meal plans, and Brad is editing our vlog. Yes. Hey babe, what are you doing?
I still don't know why. You better not put this on.
So that was my bedtime alarm. I like to get 7 hours of sleep. Some people work better off 8, some people work better off 6. I work better off 7. Gives me 7 hours sleep so that I can have 17 hours in the rest of the day, because you can get a hell of a lot done in 17 hours. Good night. Good morning, it's 3:45. Weekdays start at 3:45 in this house. If you guys want to see a weekday in the life of Ash, let me know.